Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a volunteer motivation letter. What is motivation letter? A motivational letter is a one-page letter that's used to describe why you are the perfect candidate for a certain position, in this case as for a volunteer program. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a motivation letter for volunteers step by step. Check this out. First thing first, you will need to write down the date today. In this case is December 24, 2023. And then, write the recipient's or organization name. After that, write down the address of the organization. You can write the number, street, city, state, and zip code. And you can also write the phone number of the organization. This is optional. You can then open the letter with Dear Sirs and Madams since you have no idea who the recipients are. In the first paragraph, introduce yourself. You can mention your full name here. And write the reason why you are writing this letter. And don't forget mention the name of the program you want to apply. Along with that, mention the volunteer position too. Now, write a powerful sentence that becomes your motivation to join the volunteer. The sentence here must be sincere, honest, and heart-touching. For example, the writer here wants to join Feeding Family program. The writer then explain why it is important for her or him. And write how the advertisement of the volunteer program becomes the answer to your faith. Like you want to help family but didn't know how to and find out this program is the answer. Just be honest and don't tell a story. In the second paragraph, you can tell brief story of your life in participating some volunteer programs. You can add your value here that other people don't have. For example, you have personal connections to some communities. And you may have specific job in the volunteer programs. Of course, you need to mention all of them here. Tell the recipients how active you are in being volunteer. And describe how ready you are to scale up helping more people through the program you apply. You can also write some points using bullets to make them easy to read. Of course, the points here must have relation to the volunteer programs. Write some motivation in these points. You can mention as many as you want but don't go too far. Just mention the most significant ones. And for the closing paragraph, thank the recipient for reading your letter. And tell the reader how you want to be a part of this program. Don't forget to give your personal contact information just in case they want to get in touch with you. And finally, write sincerely. Add your full name and signature as well. So, that's how you write a volunteer motivation letter step by step. I hope this video helpful for you. See you on the next video.